Alright, so I just picked up this Sig Sauer PCP air gun, and this thing has about the same weight as a real one. The nice thing about this is it's got the same sizing, same grip, so if you're training with it, very nice build quality. Has your Picatinny rail on top here so you can put different optics on. It has these iron sights that came with the unit, which you can flip up or down. Again, put different optics on the Picatinny rail. You have some M-lock on the side here. It even has a realistic looking flash suppressor on the front. And the feel and grip is like the real thing. It even has a charging handle. Magazine well comes out the same way. On the back here you have your 3000 PSI air tank. It has a 30 round 22 caliber pellet magazine. Then goes in the same way, locks in, charge it. And this thing is really nice. Whether you're just working around the yard and want to do a little plinking, a little exercising, safety is in the same place. Really nice. I think this is definitely worth the purchase.